Hello guys, we are here in Birmingham City Centre. We're doing short interviews from people, just asking them if they know anything about Chechnya. We have our leaflets, giving out leaflets. We got our Chechen flag, Ichkerian Chechen flag and Ukrainian flag. So we're just asking random people questions if they know anything about Chechnya. If they don't know, we're telling them briefly about Chechnya and making them aware of that Chechnya is under occupation, and we're giving them a leaflet. What do you know about Chechnya? Have you heard about Chechnya?
No.
Have you got any idea where is Chechnya? It's a country.
I never heard of it before.
Okay, Chechnya is a country which occupied by Russia.
Yeah.
So you don't know nothing about Chechnya, yeah? What do you know about Russia?
Like the biggest country in the world, isn't it?
Which one?
Russia.
Russia is the best country.
The biggest.
Biggest, yeah. Well done. That's right, yeah, well done. And do you know about Russia invaded Ukraine?
Russian, yeah, I did.
Okay, basically Chechnya is a country which based in northern Caucasus and occupied by Russia. If you want to learn more about Chechnya, you can go on my TikTok or YouTube called Chechen Blogger in English.
All right.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. What do you know about Chechnya?
Chechnya,
Yeah.
Muslim.
And you support Ukraine, yeah? I see you have Ukrainian flag.
Yeah,
So what is the history? What do you know about Chechnya? What did Chechnya do in 1994, 1999?
about this war with Russian.
War with Russia, that's it, yeah. So you know, and you know this flag? Where is this flag from? Chechnya flag, yeah. Okay. Anyway, I appreciate that you know it, and here is the leaflet. You can read. I wish you all the best, yeah.
Yes,
All right. Thank you very much. Yeah. Do you know how many people Russia killed in Chechnya?
I don't know.
300,000 people were killed, yeah. So that's why we are basically against the
Russian is
terrorist regime.
Very bad.
Russia is very, very bad. Wherever Russia is, there's trouble. That's it, you know, like in 1991, Johar Dudayev, you know, he saved your
Dudayev,
country.
yeah.
Johar
I
Dudayev,
remember.
yeah, he was in Lithuania, Estonia that time, and he tried his best to save your nations to get the freedom. Anyway, I appreciate your time. Thank you very much, yeah?
You're welcome.
All the best. Nice
Slava
flag.
Ukraine.
Slava, Героям слава. All the best. Take care. Alaikum. Okay, basically I'm a YouTube blogger, yeah? I do short interview. What do you know about Chechnya?
Chechnya is
Chechnya,
good country.
yeah,
I
good
like
country.
that. You know Hamzat, the fighter. You know
Hamza, yeah, okay.
Russia.
Russia, you like Russia?
Yeah, Russia.
Why you like Russia?
so,
It's good.
Are you sure you like Russia?
Yeah, good
It's
country,
Chechnya
good
is good.
people.
Russia, good people, yeah? Do you think Russia is good because 25 years Russia killed Afghani people?
Yeah, yeah.
you know.
Carry on, yeah?
It's a crazy.
Sorry, my friend. Come this way. Yeah. Sabr.
You know Chechnya. I like the Chechnya because Chechnya people is Muslim.
Yes,
They are
okay.
Muslim.
Mashallah.
I like the Hamza because I like Chechnya. You know, the Hamza is my favorite free fighter.
Okay, but you think if his good fighting is
Yeah,
enough?
it's a good fighter.
Yeah, I know he's good fighting, but what if he's a good fighting and you support killing children? He support killing children.
No.
Yeah, you
no,
do.
No.
Okay, but he's okay. I'll tell you one thing. Let me educate you. Yeah,
Okay.
Chechnya was when Russia was fighting, killing Afghani people for 25 years.
Yeah, I know.
After Russia pulled back, and then Soviet Union broke down. Yeah?
Yeah.
When the Soviet Union broke down, Chechnya take its own independent country. They say we don't want with Russia. We want to be our own country because Russia and Soviet Union come to take our country. Yeah. So
You like? Yeah, listen.
okay, go on.
You like Russia or no?
I like anybody, but Russia is killing 300,000 my people. Do you think if
why the Chechen people with Russia pride?
because it's not Chechen people, it's Kadyrovich.
Kadyrov.
Kadyrov is not Chechen. He speaks Chechen language,
Yeah,
but they are Russian people. they love Russian people. They are Russian people. The real Chechenian people, Russia have been killing 300,000 people, including 42,000 children. Yeah, Russia killed. And if Russia come and kill all your family, you like Russia?
No, I don't like.
That's why I don't like.
You know that my family and the Russian, when,
Yeah, I understand.
When Russian coming, Afghanistan is. You know that my family, how many people skill
Yeah.
is my 18 people is my cousin or my
Yeah.
my
Russia
auntie.
killed.
Yeah. It's
And-
my dad God was that his father. It's
Yeah.
a big father.
Grandfather.
Yeah,
great-father.
grandfather is my grandmother.
Killed
is
by
killed.
Russia.
Yeah.
So how can you like Russia?
Yeah, I
You
don't
cannot
like.
it,
No,
huh?
I don't like.
Okay, that's it. But you like Hamzat Chimaev because
Yeah.
he's a Muslim and he's good fighter.
Yeah.
But I want to little bit upset you because he's not very good Muslim. Because good Muslim, he don't like his enemy. You know, like if someone he
MMA.
kill all. No. MMA.
Yeah.
He like MMA, but
Yeah.
he don't like his country because the Russia coming killing his own family people, and then he go work for fight for Russian flag.
You know that.
Right or wrong?
Yeah. Yes, you're right. But you know, Hamza is not Russian.
No, he's Chechen
Hamza
speaking.
from is Chechen.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. I'll tell you one thing then. Okay, again, I'll try to explain it differently. Yeah. For example, Russia coming to your country,
Yeah.
he kill all your family,
Yeah.
and then your son, he grow up, he says, "I love Russia." Is good or not?
No,
good?
it's not good.
That's what Hamzat Chimaev do because his brain is go for Mercedes. He changed his brain for Mercedes.
Yeah.
He buy this
But I
Kadyrov.
don't know who is that, but I don't know his life.
But you know,
who is
I'll tell you
this.
one. I'll tell you
But
one thing.
I just see is the fight.
Okay,
Or,
I'll tell you
know.
one thing. In Caucasus, in Chechnya, in Dagestan, in Ingushetia, there are more than 1,000 Hamzat Chimaev.
Yeah.
Same, more stronger. It's too many.
Yeah,
All the
yeah.
best fighter is in Chechnya,
Yeah,
Dagestan, Ingushetia,
Yeah.
in Caucasus.
Yes.
So
I know.
Hamzat is only one guy, and he is a traitor. Do you know what means traitor? Traitor.
Yeah.
Traitor,
Yeah,
it
so
means
like
if your enemy coming to your country,
Yeah.
kill your people, and you go work for
he
your,
supported.
you support your
Yeah.
enemy. This is traitor. So Hamzat Chimaev is only a traitor. He's good fighter, but he is a traitor.
But I don't know.
See? I'm just. That's why I'm teaching
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Thanks for you. Yeah. All the best,
Thank
my friend. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah.
Thank
All
you
right.
so much.
All the best. Okay, what do you know about Chechnya?
Chechnya, I don't know about. very
Nothing,
good,
yeah?
brother. Yeah,
You know
I
about.
know a little bit. Why not?
Okay. Where?
Chechnya, Muslim before the happening lots of
Wars.
it was
Yeah. But do you know Chechnya is under Russian occupation right now?
right now.
Yeah, it's
Chechnya.
fully occupied by Russia. Because Chechnyans lost the second Russian-Chechen war. First war in 1994 when Russia invaded to Chechnya. Chechens destroyed the Russian army, kicked them out. We won the first war, but the second war when Putin came to power, he attacked Chechnya again and they killed 300,000 Chechens, and then Chechen people lost the second war and they put their Russian law. And at the moment, Chechnya is under the Russian occupation and we are fighting for our freedom and deoccupation. And I would like to give you a leaflet. That's a leaflet. You can
So
go
you
to
are,
my
you want to fighting against
the Russia.
Yeah.
We want to
Because you
free
want to-
our country.
You
Yeah.
want to be independent.
We want to be independent because Chechnya was independent country. All right.
Good luck.
Thank you very much. And that's a Chechen flag.
Yeah.
That's Ukrainian flag. We support Ukraine as well because Ukraine is purely fighting for their sovereign
But
independence.
I want to be peacefully.
Of course, yeah. No problem. Yeah. We all want peace. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
because,
what we want.
Because I am a Muslim, that's why like that.
No problem. Yeah.
I
No
don't
problem.
like anything happening with anyone.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, brother.
No problem. Yeah. Thank you very much for your support. Yeah. All the best. Thank you, brother. That's it.
Yeah.
So basically, now, can you tell, brother, what do you know about Chechnya?
I don't know anything.
Chechnya is a Shishan.
It's a Chechen. Like my country. I'm from Kurdistan. Yeah, I'm half
Yeah.
Kurdish, half Arabs.
Mashallah.
So, Kurdistan is not country yet, but I'm proud of it. We got our own flags, our everything's, but it's different between four countries. It's between Iraq, Iran, and Syria and Turkey.
You know what I will say? Kurdistan is a country.
It's a country.
It is occupied
It's
by
not-
Iran,
keep in mind.
Syria, and Turkey. and what else? Four countries, I guess. You know, they're taken over. But my country, Chechnya, that's the Chechen flag, and Chechnya has been occupied by Russia. So we're fighting really for the same cause. But Kurdistan has been just totally divided by four different countries. Yeah. So we're fighting only for our freedom. You know, same like you do. Yeah. So you support Chechnya?
I will support you.
Jazakallah.
We are brothers.
Here is the leaflet,
We
brother.
are Muslim, we are brothers. so
Jazakallah
come
khair,
on.
thank you. And we have a YouTube and TikTok channel, Chechen Blogger in English, and you just go on there and you'll find out more about Chechnya, yeah?
If you're gonna respect my country, I will respect
Of course,
my country,
I
of course. We
I
are
respect
brothers.
any-
We're coming from God.
I respect any country which has got humanity, but I don't respect the dictators who
When
killing
they're gonna kill
our
your
people, you know?
I see it.
Brothers and sisters being killed,
When they're gonna
I don't
kill
like
small
them.
babies and that.
Exactly. Jazakallah khair, brother. Thank you, yeah? All the best.
Inshallah, one day you will
Alright.
have your country back.
Inshallah, yeah. Soon, inshallah. What do you know about Chechnya?
We have mountains.
Yeah, okay. And who Chechens are, basically?
Russians.
No, they're not.
Okay.
Okay, where did you take that from?
I just fought that.
Okay, you know why did you think? Because Russia has been occupied Chechnya. It's been under occupation for 400 years. We've been fighting for our country, which we gained our independence in 1991 when Soviet Union collapsed. But Russia came with the war. We kicked them out. They came again. So right now Chechnya is under Russian occupation.
Okay.
And what else do you know about Chechnya?
They have fighters.
Yes, what kind of fighters?
Mujahideen.
MashaAllah, but they're not definitely the Kadyrovids. You know, Kadyrovids are the pro-Russian. Okay, why Chechens are called Mujahideen is because Chechnya was fighting against Russia for 400 years. That's why the whole Muslim Ummah knows Chechens as a Mujahideen. But today, Russia have put their Russian government and they called Kadyrovids, and they are fake Muslims, munafiqin, and they're killing only Muslim people. And they are the ones who are spoiling the Mujahideen name, the real Chechen name.
Why is that, brother?
That's because they sold out for money and for government position. Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
We are here basically doing a little bit, giving education to the people, like even yourself. Yeah, you wouldn't know if someone doesn't tell you the reality. And I would like to give you this leaflet, brother.
No problem.
And I'm a YouTube blogger and TikTok blogger. You can check on Chechen Blogger in English in any social media.
Okay.
And you can follow me, learn more about Chechnya, yeah?
Okay. Barakallah
All right,
feek.
Jazakallah khair, brother. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu
Wish you all the best,
Thanks.
yeah?